Hello again, everybody. The other day I left a tip on moving your painting from the canvas layer to a new layer. Left instructions on how to do that. And a person, Heike, I think is how you pronounce that, I hope so, left a comment saying to do it this way. And it is so much easier to do it this way. All you have to do is go up to select all and then float, and you see over here it automatically puts makes a layer, moves from canvas to layer, and deselects. So you're done. Two taps and you're done. So this is so much easier doing it this way than what I had posted. So thank you, Heike. Bye.